let's start. Okay, guys. So can you see this one? Okay, so this is your formula list for AdMaths. Okay, ini adalah rumus dia yang akan diberi untuk AdMaths. Form 4 sahajalah hari ini. Okay, only the Form 4 formula I give you guys. Okay, tingkatan 4 sahaja. Alright. Okay, so you guys can see all this formula, right, will be given to you for AdMaths in your exam. Okay, semua rumus ni akan diberi masa exam AdMaths. Alright. Are you clear, guys? So you actually have total of 19, 20, 22 formulas for Form 4. Okay, kamu ada 22 formula untuk tingkatan 4. Alright? Okay, so you can see all these formulas given. Okay? Alright. So guys, do you all know the format for paper 2 and maths? Kamu semua tahu tak macam mana format kertas 2 matematik tambahan? Navin, why are you here? I'm asking for batch 08 currently. 08. Kamu semua tahu format tak? Matematik tambahan kertas 2 and maths paper 2. Do you all know it? Okay, so actually you have 3 parts. Section A, Section B, Section C. Okay, 3 bahagian. So Section A, how many questions you have, guys? May I know? Bahagian A ada berapa soalan? And maths kertas 2. Tell me if you know the format. How many question? Section A. Anyone? Berapa soalan, guys? Bahagian A. Come on. Comment. How many? Who don't know here? Who over here don't know how many question for section A? Siapa tak tahu berapa soalan bahagian A? I forget. Okay, there is actually 7 question guys for section A at maths paper 2. Okay, bahagian A ada 7 soalan. Section B, anyone know how many question? Bahagian B ada berapa soalan total? Section B? Anyone? Come on. Your SPM student this year, guys. Kamu semua calon SPM tahu. Tahun ni, kamu kena tahu format matematik tambahan. You must know how is the format of your AdMaths paper. So section B, how much? How many question? Or forget also already. Sudah lupa. Comment. If you don't know, you say don't know, guys. Kalau tak tahu, kamu cakap tak tahu saja. Senang. Anyone? How many question? Section B. Forget. Okay. The answer is 4, guys. Ada 4 soalan section B. And you need to choose 3 question only. Hanya perlu pilih 3. Okay, tak apa. Saya dedahkan. Okay, I expose to you guys the format. This is AdMaths paper 2. Okay, section C, you have 4 question also. Pilih 2. You choose 2. Alright. So how many question, guys? You need to answer in total. Berapa soalan kamu kena jawab? 7, 3, 2. 7, 3, 2. So total question you need to answer is 12 for your AdMaths paper 2. Understand? Matematik tambahan kertas 2 kena jawab 12 soalan. 12. How long, guys? AdMaths paper 2? Do you all know what is the time for the paper? Apa masa dia? Yes. It's 2 hours 30 minutes. So 2 hours 30 minutes is for you guys to answer 12 questions. 12 soalan. So satu soalan berapa lama boleh ambil, guys? Boleh saya tahu? One question how long? You count and see lah. 150 minutes divide 12. So one question approximately 12.5 minutes. You must take 12.5 minit untuk seluruh satu soalan. Faham? Do you guys understand? So this is on average lah, guys. Purata 12.5 minutes, one question. Okay? Alright. So this is what you need to know for AdMaths paper 2. Okay? So total marks, how much, guys? For AdMaths paper 2, apa jumlah markah dia? Kertas 2, AdMaths? Yes, your total mark is 100, guys. So guys, any one of you over here struggle during Form 4 time, your AdMaths, can you comment? Siapa kat sini dapat markah rendah AdMaths masa Form 4, tingkatan 4? Cuba komen. Anyone of you over here struggle during Form 4 time? Okay, got struggle, right? Okay, no problem. How to improve your mark? Macam mana boleh tingkatkan markah AdMaths? You guys must focus on paper 2, guys. Kamu kena fokus kertas 2. Kenapa? 100 marks, guys. 100 markah is a lot. Banyak. Total marks for AdMaths is 180, guys. You must know this. Plus paper 1 lah. Total is 180. Paper 2 itself is 100 marks. So it's a very big percentage. 1% yang sangat tinggi. Your paper 2 will contribute a lot to your final marks for AdMaths. So that's why I say paper 2 is where you can score. Score betul-betul kat sini. It's not difficult one, guys. Trust me, tak susah. Okay, easy to score one. Alright, so we see the question. Come. Okay, we analyze. Okay, so we start with section A, bahagian A. Kertas 1. Kertas 2. Alright. So guys, when you see question number 1, may I know this is what topic? Can you all comment to me? Apa bab yang ni? All is form 4 guys, today. Okay, semua soalan hari ni kita buat form 4 saja. All is form 4 topic. Chapter 1 until chapter 10. Yes, very good. This is actually form 4 chapter 1 plus your form 4 chapter 4. Okay, they mix 2 topic in one question. Dia campur 2 topik satu soalan. Alright? So 2 topic mix 1 question. Okay, so we focus on this one, guys. Okay, so they tell you fx equal to ln 4x minus 2. They ask you to find f3. So guys, what is the meaning of f3? Can anyone tell me? Apa yang kamu akan buat? Soalan 1. What will you do? You see f bracket 3. So, yes, means that x is equal to 3. Okay? Yes. So you just need to substitute x with 3. Okay, gantikan saja x tu dengan 3. Itu saja. Okay, so you can get the answer. F3 equal to ln 4 times 3 minus 2. Okay, so F3 is equal to ln 10. Okay, guys. Over here, can this be my final answer? Yes or no? Yang ni boleh jadi jawapan akhir tak? Ln 10. Okay, cannot. It's better if you press calculator and tell the final answer. Okay, lebih tepat lah. It's much better. Okay, so you just press calculator, ln 10, you will get the answer 2.303. Okay, this is your ln 10. So you can leave like this, your final answer. Okay, ini adalah jawapan akhir. Alright? Okay, so you can see over here. So you see the answer is 2.303. Okay? Understand, guys? Question A1, boleh faham? A1, are you clear? So this is how you solve the basic one lah. This one consider very, very simple. Sangat mudah. Okay, next one. They ask you to find the range of values of x when fx greater than 5. Dia nak tahu julat. Okay, so they say fx greater than 5. So mean that ln 4x minus 2 greater than 5. This is your equation. Persamaan. So guys, may I know ln? What is another term I can use for ln? Apa lagi satu sebutan saya boleh ganti ln? Yes, log asas E. Remember guys, ln is always log base E. Okay? So you get something like this. And then, what do you do guys? Apa baris seterusnya? Kamu. Cannot see ya? The rest? Can you see the screen? Can, right? Maybe Siti Shaira, you check and see again. Check. Maybe you never, I don't know lah. You must check and see your site. Okay? So guys, what is the next line I should do after this? Apa yang saya kena buat selepas ni? So now you have log E bracket 4x minus 2 greater than 5. So, what can you do here? What concept can you use over here? Anyone? Think and see. Now you need to find the x, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai x. So macam mana dapat nilai x tu? How to get the x? Anyone? Come on. Think and see. Cuba fikir. Break up. Can you be more specific? What is your meaning of break up? Break up sounds like boyfriend and girlfriend separate. I understand break up like that. I don't understand break up in terms of this. I can't see. You cannot see the screen? Check again. The rest can see lah. Yang lain boleh nampak. You check also. Something wrong with your side. So how to find the X, guys? Bukan. Sudah ada lock. You already got lock, guys. Tak boleh tambah lock lagi. Whenever you have one lock already, you cannot add some more. Tak boleh tambah lagi. Okay, I recall your concept. Yes. Finally, someone get the answer already. Yes. You must bring the 4x minus 2 to the other side. Correct. Okay, kamu kena bawa yang ni ke sini. Okay, ataupun kamu boleh bawa yang ni ke sini. Okay, you shift, guys. Okay, so do you guys still remember how to convert log form to index form? Masih ingat tak? Cara tukar bentuk log ke bentuk index. Okay, example I give you like this. Can you all tell me what is the answer? If you convert to index form, bentuk index, your form 4 chapter 4. How to convert this? This is what I call as log form, bentuk log. So bentuk log ke bentuk index? Yes. Your answer is A power X equal to B. A power X A kuasa X. Ingat, format dia macam ni. Okay, this is the format, guys. Okay, so you're going to apply this knowledge over here. Guna kat sini. So guys, what do you get? You get E power 5 less than 4X minus 2. Do you agree, guys? Setuju tak? Macam mana saya dapat yang ni? So you just convert log form to index form. That's all. Itu saja. Okay, so now you just find your X lah, guys. Cari nilai X. So E power 5 plus 2 over 4. Okay, so this one you can simplify. Tekan calculator. Guys, you know how to press this, right? In your calculator. You should know how to press this. Okay, you see your shift. Okay, tekan shift. Lepas tu lon. Okay, shift lon. You will get the symbol E. And then 5 plus 2 over 4. So the answer is 37.6. Okay, dapat, guys? Do you get this answer? Can? So this is your range of value of X. Julat nilai X. Alright? So you can see over here. So the answer is this one. Okay? Clear, guys? Soalan A. Understand? Board question. So this one is just to refresh your lower form. Your form 4. Tingkatan 4. Alright? Because maybe some of you would have forget already. Because already 1 year. 1 tahun. Okay, next one. They ask you to solve the equation, guys. Selesaikan persamaan ni. Okay, so how are we going to solve this? Macam mana selesaikan? So it means that you must find the M value lah, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai M. So how? How to do this? This one look complex a bit. Dia nampak susah. But actually it's easy only. Add log. No. Okay, guys. You must know when to add log. I give you an example. Saya bagi contoh bila kena tambah log. Guys, if you see an equation like this, they ask you to find the M. Cari nilai M. How you find M? You add log, right? Yes. You add log 10. Both sides. Log asal 10. So when do you add log, guys? When you see the variable is a power. Can you see, guys? Bila pemboleh ubah tu kuasa, baru guna log. Kat sini, pemboleh ubah ada kuasa tak? Adakah kamu nampak kuasa tu pemboleh ubah? Tak ada, kan? You don't see any variable as a power, right? So mean that cannot use log. Tak boleh. So you must think and see now. Only indices can lah. Hanya boleh guna concept index. Am I right? Okay, so you must think and see how to modify the equation. Kamu kena ubah sesuatu, guys. What do you modify here? You see, one is positive, one is negative. So what can you think over here? Usually power 1 over 3 you cannot solve. Am I right, guys? Kuasa 3 tak boleh selesaikan. So what you can, kuasa 1/3 tak boleh selesaikan. So what you can do is, you can do something like this, guys. Can you see? I'm trying to make it become a quadratic equation. Saya nak jadi dia jadi ungkapan kuadratik. Faham tak? Okay, so from here, what you're going to do is, you shift everything to the left-hand side. Pindah semua ke sebelah kiri. So you get something like this. Am I right? Okay, From here, you don't see quadratic yet. Tak nampak lagi quadratic. But what can you do? You can make it become power 6, kuasa 6. Okay, or you can also make it become power 2 also can. Kuasa 2 pun boleh. Actually, how you change, right? It doesn't matter. The most important thing is your assumption, guys. Yang paling penting tu adalah anggapan. Okay, example, let's say I follow lah. Make it become power 2, kuasa 2. Okay, so mean that everything also must power 2 lah, guys. Okay, semua kena kuasa 2. Wait ah. Is there a mistake in the question? Start ah. Sorry. Wait ah. Let me check and see guys. Because it looked different. The answer. Oh, okay, I get it already. Dapat. Okay, guys. What you can do, right? You do like this. Okay. You see negative 1 over 3, right? Usually, negative power. Can we solve, guys? Kalau kamu ada kuasa negatif, boleh selesaikan tak? May I know? Cannot, right? It's a bit hard, right? Susah kan nak selesaikan kuasa negatif. So what you do is, right, guys, how do you eliminate this negative power? Macam mana kamu nak hapuskan kuasa negatif ni? Okay, beside fraction, let's say I don't want fraction. Nope, cannot change to cert. X minus 1. Nope. Okay, what you can do, guys, you see this, m power negative 1 over 3 times m power 1 over 3. What is your answer, guys? May I know? Apa jawapannya ni? Satu kan? Is 1, right? Am I right? Because you get m power 0. So the answer is 1. Correct? Satu kan? So can you see the concept, guys? I am timesing by m power 1 over 3. So that I can get rid of this negative power. Saya nak hapuskan kuasa negatif. So means that I just times the whole equation by m power 1 over 3. Okay, saya darab seluruh persamaan dengan yang ni. So you see guys, m power 1 over 3 times m power 1 over 3 equal to 2m power 1 over 3 plus 15. Are you clear, guys? How I get it? Can you see it? Okay, so this one, I can write it as m power 1 over 3 square. And then minus 2m power 1 over 3 plus 15. Minus 15 equal to 0. Can you see, guys? Do you understand this step? Can you comment if understand? Boleh faham? Okay, you see this step, Okay, now, can you guys see a quadratic equation here? Yes or no? Boleh tak nampak persamaan kuadratik? Can, right? Okay, let's say this m power 1 over 3, I substitute with x. So I get x squared. M power 1 over 3, I substitute with x. Minus 15 equals 0. This is already quadratic equation. So mean that the assumption I'm doing here is x equal to m power 1 over 3. Ini adalah anggapan saya. Sini. You can do this kind of assumption, guys, in admaths. Boleh buat macam ni. It's valid one. So you can do this step over here. Alright? How do you get 15? Okay, good question. This whole thing, right? I times m power 1 over 3. So m power negative 1 over 3 times m power 1 over 3, 0. 1 is 1. M power 0. So 1. 1 times 15, 15. Okay, that's why I want to get rid of the negative power. Nak hapuskan kuasa negatif. How do you get the idea to eliminate m power negative 1 over 3? This one is come to experience. Experience, guys. There is no real reason one. It just make it easier to solve the question. That's all. Dia tak ada sebab sebenarnya kenapa kena kali dengan yang ni. Okay, ini hanya untuk memudahkan proses penyelesaian sahaja. It just make it easier. Do you understand, guys? So too many questions, you will know why you do like that. You will get the experience. When you see this kind of equation, okay, I must times by m power 1 over 3. you will get the concept. You must try many type of question. Cuba banyak soalan. You will get the experience. Okay? Alright. So now, factorize. Boleh faktorkan. So you get x, 5, 3. Negative, positive. So your answer is x equal negative 3, x equal 5. So guys, do we accept these two answers? Yes or no? Adakah kita terima dua-dua jawapan ni? What do you think? Do we accept the two answers? Yes or no? Okay, which one you guys going to reject? Okay, yes. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, why? Wait, let me see. Negative 3 equal to m power 1 over 3. Okay, guys, you see the question carefully. When you see this question, right, you see negative 3 equal to m power 1 over 3 and 5 equal to m power 1 over 3. Correct? Because I'm using the assumption here. Saya guna anggapan yang ni, guys. I'm using this assumption. So based on the x values, I get this. So guys, my question is to find m. Kamu kena cari nilai m. So guys, how do I get m from here? May I know? Macam mana boleh dapat m sahaja? Now my m is power 1 over 3. So how to get rid of 1 over 3? Okay, move means what is the step you do? No. Remember guys, log is only for the variable as a power. Over here, your variable is not a power, it's the base. Sekarang pemboleh ubah kamu adalah asas, bukan kuasa. Faham tak? So bila kuasa saja guna log. Yang lain-lain jangan guna log. Alright? Okay, so you see carefully guys. If you have this, right, you can actually cube both sides. Do you agree, guys? Kamu kuasa 3, dua-dua belah persamaan. So guys, over here you get m, right? Over here you get negative 27, right? Settle. You already get the answer. Can you see, guys? Nampak tak? I just power 3 both sides of the equation because 1 over 3 times 3, the answer is 1. 1. Which is m lah. M power 1 is m. Same concept. M power 1 over 3 equal to 5. So guys, can you all tell me what is the m value here? Apa nilai m? Of course. Kenapa saya akan kata tak boleh? Guys, if you feel like eating can make you understand better at maths, then eat. Kalau rasa makan tu boleh bagi kamu faham lebih bagus, makan. It's okay one. Tak faham apa beza kuasa dengan ni yang pasal log tadi. Okay, yang ni kamu lihat betul-betul. Kalau kamu tambah log kan kat sini. Log m log 10 m 1 over 3 equal to log 10 negative 3. Guys, log nombor negatif boleh tak? Tak boleh kan? Cannot, right? Log negative number is undefined. Tak ada penyelesaian punya kalau log negatif. So memang tak boleh log. Cannot. Okay, log hanya untuk macam ni. Contoh macam ni tadi. 5 kuasa m sama dengan 6. Kalau kamu nampak pemboleh ubah tu sebagai kuasa. Faham tak? Kena jadi kuasa sahaja. Alright? Okay. So now, you guys see you have two answers, right? Ada dua jawapan kan? Okay, let's check and see. Yes, correct. Okay, the answer is 2. So you no need to reject negative answer, guys. Tak perlu tolak jawapan negatif. You can accept both of the answer. Okay, when do you reject negative answer, guys? May I know? Bila kamu akan tolak jawapan macam ni? When? You must know when. When are you going to reject? Is when, okay, yes, correct. Or if you're talking about this chapter, indices, surd and log, when will you reject a negative value of x? Think and see. Is when you have an expression like this. Example, guys, if you have this expression, x equal negative 3, you substitute inside, gantikan kat dalam. Your answer here is negative, right? Am I right? 2 times negative 3 negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1, negative 5. Log negative 5. Can you get answer, guys? Yes or no? Cuba tekan calculator. Log negative 5. You get maths error, guys. Maths error. Yes. Means that you have no answer. Tak ada jawapan. So that is when you reject the negative value of X. Are you clear, guys? Ini situasi dia. Bila kamu tolak nilai negatif X. So you see this case, you no need to add log. Tak perlu log. So that's why you accept both value lah. Terima dua-dua. Faham? Understand, guys? Question 1. Are you clear? Soalan pertama ni. So total marks is 7 marks. Question 1 7 markah. I think should be okay lah. Should be easy to answer. Okay, so we go for the next question. Okay, so next question. May I know what chapter is this, guys? Apa yang ni? You see the question, you know already. Yes, this is your Form 4 Chapter 2, guys, which is quadratic functions. Okay, persamaan kuadratik. Okay, so we focus on this one first. Okay, so they ask you to find the range, julat, untuk yang ni. Okay, so just solve as normal. Selesaikan macam biasa. Okay, let me show you the step. Okay, so you have x minus 4 square greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so expand, kembangkan, you will get like this. Greater than equal to 4. X square minus 8x plus 12 greater than or equal to 0. So guys, can you factorize this equation? Yes or no? Boleh faktorkan yang ni? X square minus 8x plus 12. Can you make it become 2 bracket? Can. Okay, if you try with your calculator, actually can. You will get 6 and 2. Negative, negative. So your answer is x equal to 2, x equal to 6. Am I right? 2 dan 6. But guys, can we leave this as the final answer? Yes or no? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? 2 dan 6? Yes, very good. Always be careful of the word in the question, guys. The question say range, julat. So you need to have the inequality symbol. Kena ada simbol ketaksamaan macam ni dalam jawapan kamu. Faham? Okay. So how do we get the range, guys? Okay, very simple. You can draw the graph. Okay, you see this one, right, guys? This is your equation, right? Persamaan. So this graph is smile or cry. May I know, guys? Graph ni bentuk senyum atau masam? Kamu lihat. X square minus 8x plus 12. Smile, right? Because your A value is positive, right? Nilai A 1. So, senyum. So, mean that this is 2, this is 6. Your graph is something like this. Agree? Ini graph kuadratik. So, they say greater than or equal to 0, guys. Lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong. So, guys, may I know? This one, A. This one, B. I tell you, you all tell me the correct answer, guys. Bagi tahu jawapan mana yang betul. This one C and this one D. Okay, tell me what will be your answer for this question. You tell me the answers. Mana jawapan yang betul? Lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong? Okay, sama? Sama? Lagi orang? Change already. Okay, yes. The answer is A and C, guys. Okay, understand? The answer is A and C. Why? Because they say greater than or equal to 0. Means that it must be above the x-axis. Ini paksi X kan? Kena di atas. It must be above. And then, why B wrong, guys? Kenapa nilai B ni salah? B ke atas kan? Kenapa yang ni salah? B. Anyone? Why is B answer wrong? Kenapa jawapan B salah? Think and see. Cuba fikir. Okay, very simple lah, guys. If you guys stuck, don't know what is the answer, I tell you. Guys, can you tell a range for B? May I know? Kamu boleh bagi julat tak untuk kawasan B ni? Cuba lihat. Tak boleh tahu. Sebab, cuba lihat yang ni. Nilai ni kamu tahu tak? Tak tahu kan? Nilai ni tahu tak? Tak tahu kan? Don't know, right? The value. So mean that part B is totally wrong. Option B is totally a wrong answer. It doesn't make sense. Tak ada logic. That's why we cannot choose answer B. Are you clear, guys? Because there is no specific range one. Tak ada julat. Okay? So that's why your answer is A and C. So how you write your answer is like this. Okay, ini cara tulis jawapan. So X is less than 2, X is greater than 6. So this is your final answer. Okay, clear guys? How to get the answer? Jelas? So this is how you solve. Okay, sorry. You must have equal sign guys. Kena ada sama dengan. Okay, must have equal. Okay, why? Because you see the question is greater than or equal to 0. So when you have equal sign, your answer also must have equal sign. Kalau soalan tu ada sama dengan, jawapan pun sama dengan. Kena ada. Okay? Clear guys? Question A. Any problem? Understand? So this is the basic lah. You must know how to find the range. Kena tahu cari julat. Okay? Alright. Continue. Question number B1. Okay, so they ask you to express in vertex form. Kamu kena ungkapkan yang ni dalam bentuk vertex. So guys, vertex form. How to get vertex form? Macam mana dapat? What is the method we use? Apa kaedah dia? Yes. Is nice lah guys. Easy only. You must use CTS guys. In BM it's called PKD. Penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Always remember, convert this or any equation to vertex form, you must use CTS method, PKD. Okay? Alright. So how do we do it? Okay, very simple. Okay, I copy back the equation. 4 minus x, 2 plus x. Okay. Delete. Can. Delete one guys. No problem. Boleh. That is part of the CTS method. Do you know that? CTS method, one of the step is the one. Is B over 2A. Alright? Okay, so first, you expand, kembangkan, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Okay, now is the time you use CTS, guys. So CTS, first step, you must let your A value equal to 1. Nilai A kena 1. That is the CTS method. So you factorize out negative, you get this equation. Am I right? So A equal to 1. Can you see, guys? Nilai A, 1. X square means A equal to 1. Okay? Alright. Second step, you are going to do this. Plus B over 2A square minus B over 2A square. Like what Serax said. Okay, so you just use this method. So fx equal to Auni. Okay, thank you. X square minus 2x. Okay, you plus now guys. Tambah kat sini. So plus B over 2A square minus B over 2A square. Do you understand guys? Nampak tak? Okay, and then you copy minus 8. This is CTS guys. Penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Okay, and then continue. Okay, so you see this guys. X square minus 1 square. Combine these two. Gabungkan dua-dua yang ni. So you get something like this. Okay, and then this value you press in the calculator. Tekan saja dalam calculator. Okay, so you will get negative 9. Am I right? Okay, so final answer, you will get this one. So this is your vertex form guys. Ini adalah bentuk vertex. Faham? Understand guys the concept? So this is how you answer the question. Okay, can you see guys? This is your answer. So mean that your A value is 1, B value is 9. Okay, so you just compare with this equation. Bandingkan saja. So you see A is 1, B is 9. Okay, understand guys? Question B1. Faham? Can I have some response? Understand now? So far? Okay, if you guys got any question anytime, just ask. You just stop me. Hentikan saya. Kalau apa-apa bahagian saya terangkan kamu tak clear, just comment. Okay, don't feel afraid. Because this one is discussion, perbincangan. So you guys also can ask question one. Okay, Don't worry. I'm here for you guys one. I'll help you guys get that A in Admaths. Admaths easy only lah guys. Trust me. Admaths ni senang saja. Jangan dengar senior-senior kamu kata Admaths susah, Matematik susah, jangan dengar semua yang tu. Yang tu semua tipu saja. All lie only. Don't listen. Maths is very easy guys. Okay, trust me. Okay? Alright. So next one. They say fx is reflected about the y-axis. Kamu pantulkan fx kat paksi y. Okay, so mean that this equation, right? You see this one? First term, second term, third term, you combine these two. So that's why you get x minus 1 square. Can you see? Because both of it is square. Kedua-dua yang ni adalah kuasa 2. So that's why you can combine x. Sorry. Okay, like this. Wait. Minus 2x. Okay, you see here. X. This one is minus 1, right? Negative 2 over 2 minus 1, right? So that's why you get x minus 1 square lah. See or not? Nampak atau tidak? You just combine first term and third term. That is CTS. Okay, kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Faham? Dapat? Okay. Senang macam tu saja. If you guys don't believe me, you just expand this lah guys. Cuba kembangkan yang ni. Dapat apa? You get x square minus 2x plus 1, right? X square minus 2x plus 1. Same. Sama kan? Means that correct lah. Betul. Faham tak? So you can check and see whether your answer is correct. Just expand this one. Check back. Do you get the same answer on top or not? Jawapan sama tak? That's all. You will know whether you do correct or wrong. Okay? Alright. So now, they want to reflect this guys in your y-axis. Napantulkan ni kat paksi y. Okay, so you need to imagine guys, your graph. Bayangkan. So guys, can you all tell me, this graph, is it smile or cry? Senyum or masam? This graph. When you see the equation, you will know guys. Yes, it's cry, right? Okay, what is your maximum point guys? Can you all tell me from this graph? Apa titik maksimum? Titik maksimum titik maksimum saya nak jawapan dalam bentuk koordinat. Remember guys, maximum point means your answer must be in coordinate. Means I must see your x coordinate and also y coordinate. Kena bagi dua-dua. Betul tak? Are you sure? See carefully. Remember guys, from vertex form you can always get your maximum or minimum point. Bentuk vertex boleh bagi info yang ni. Yes. No. Still wrong. Rondi close already, but still wrong. Yes. Ryan correct. Okay, the answer is 19. Okay. So 19. Can you see guys? Because x minus 1 equals 0. So x equal to 1. That's why you get the 1 here. Can you see? Dapat tak? So that's why you have 1 here. You have 9 here. This is the maximum point. So your graph can be something like this lah. Contoh. Okay, this is just an example. So guys, if you reflect this graph on your y-axis guys, can you imagine how your graph will look like? Sekarang kamu nak pantulkan graph ni kat garisan merah. Yang ni, paksi y. So, how will you get? You will get something like this, right? Am I right? Akan dapat macam ni kan? Bila pantulkan, dia akan gerak ke kiri. It will move to the left. Just imagine like a mirror, guys. It's like a mirror. So very simple. You think and see. This is the mirror. This is you. How do you look, guys? When you stand in front of the mirror? May I know? Macam mana kamu nampak bila di atas, bila kamu berdiri di depan cermin? Same, right? You also look like this, right? You don't tell me you look like this, guys. Jangan kata kat saya kamu nampak macam ni di cermin. If you guys see yourself like this in the mirror, I am very scared for you. Saya memang takut untuk kamu kalau nampak image yang ni. So confirm this is wrong. Ini salah. Kalau yang ni berlaku, bawa cermin tu kat saya. Saya nak lihat. Betul tau guys, serious. Kalau kamu boleh dapat image ni, bawa cermin tu kat saya. Yang tu cermin special punya. Trust me. boleh jual, dapat banyak duit. Cermin tu memang special, one of a kind in the world. Tak ada orang yang jumpa lagi kat dunia. You are the first one to discover that cermin. If you can get that image, guys. So please, don't tell me your image look like this. Okay, so it's the same one. So same for the graph, guys. Graph pun sama. Can you see? The shape is the same. Bentuk graph masih masam. Betul? Dia tak terbalik. So will your equation be the same or different, guys? What do you think? Persamaan ni akan sama atau dia tukar bila dipantulkan di atas paksi Y? Is it the same or different? Anyone else? Same or different? Yes, correct. The roots are different, but your overall equation, is it the same or different? So this is your equation right now, plus 9. So you must think and see, guys. Will it be the same or different? Okay, you see one thing, guys. I show you over here. Axis of symmetry, paksi symmetry. Paksi symmetry sama atau berbeza, guys? Cuba jawab. For these two graphs, is it the same axis or different axis for your symmetry? Different, right? Okay, vertex form. Guys, if you still recall your vertex form, this one, guys, over here, this value over here, what does it represent? Yang ni mewakili apa? Axis of symmetry kan dalam kurungan ni. Okay, because you get x equal to 1. That is your axis of symmetry. So guys, since it's different, kamu kata berbeza kan? So, can it still be the same here? Yang ni boleh sama tak? Common sense. You see the graph. The graph also change position. Sudah tukar kedudukan. So, what you do is, from negative, you become positive. That's all. The negative symbol over there, tukar, jadi positive. Can you understand, guys? Do you get it? Means that the equation has moved lah. Paksi symmetry sudah bergerak. Okay? So that's why your answer is like this. Okay, so the only thing you change is negative become positive. Yang lain semua sama, guys. Lihat. Everything is the same. Only this one you change. Are you clear? This is for reflection in the y-axis. Paksi y saja, paksi x akan berbeza. Okay, x-axis is different. Okay, clear, guys? Question number 2, jelas? Soalan 2. So question 2 is 6 marks, 6 markah. Okay, all right. Next one, question number 3. Okay, so what chapter is this, guys? May I know? Yang ni bab apa? Are you sure? See carefully, guys. Yes, chapter 7, correct. Okay, bab 7. Okay, this is coordinate geometry, guys. Okay, I think coordinate geometry you guys like, right? Kamu semua suka kan bab ni? Okay, I think it's quite easy to solve the question. Usually it's very straightforward one. You must just know all your formula. Okay, all right. So you see BC to CD is M to N. So you label MN. Okay, so now they ask you to find what is your M ratio N. Okay, very simple, guys. What is the formula you will use? May I know? Kamu guna rumus apa? You must know this. Which formula? So you see you got a line, one straight line, 3 points, 3 titik. So do you all recall any formula that you can use? Rumus apa? If you can type out the formula, is better. Just type a bit, I will know a bit. Kamu type sikit. Apa rumus boleh bantu kamu cari M dan N? What formula? XY. Okay, yes, correct. Yes. No. Midpoint formula cannot, guys. Titik tengah tak boleh. You must use this formula. Do you all still remember this? This one? This is called as the divisor of line segment. Pembahagi garisan tempering in BM. Okay, rumus pembahagi tempering. Okay, so this is your XY coordinate. Understand, guys? So this is the formula. Okay, so now this XY, right? You will substitute with what, guys? May I know? Yang biru tu ganti dengan apa? Koordinat yang mana? B, C, or D? Which one? Yes, very good. You substitute with coordinate C. Okay, why? Because coordinate C, we call it as the divisor. Okay, titik C ni kita panggil dia pembahagi. Sebab dia membahagikan seluruh garisan ni kan, it divide your line. It's like the point that cut your line. Dia potong garis tu kepada M dan N. Faham? Okay, so now guys, N, M, you just leave it as unknown lah. Tinggal dia saja. So guys, may I know X1, what value will you substitute guys? This one important lah. Nilai X1 ganti dengan apa? Kamu kena tahu. Saat Okay. So X1, what do you substitute? Yes. Okay, kamu akan gantikan coordinate B. Yes. Okay, so you substitute negative 3 or P guys. X1. Negative 3 atau P? Anyone? Negative 3 or P? Wait Sorry just now it went so far. Okay, negative 3 or P guys? Yes, negative 3. Correct. Okay, and then X2? X2 you substitute with what guys? What value? Okay, correct. Okay, so you must remember guys, when you use this formula, right, you must cross the ratio always. Okay, ingat, silang nisbah dia. Maksudnya N darab dengan negatif 3. M darab dengan 7. Faham? Kamu kena ambil koordinat yang bertentangan dengan nisbah. You choose the coordinate that is opposite to your ratio. Are you clear guys? So this is how you solve. Okay, this is the method. Okay, so you can see over here. You just need to do for one coordinate guys. Kamu pilih untuk satu saja. So you either solve for this one or you solve for this one. Because the answer are the same. Jawapan sama. So kamu pilih satu cukup. So over here you see, they choose for the X. Because you see 3 here. 3 ni datang dari yang ni. 3. Faham tak? Okay, coordinate X bagi titik C. They come in from the X coordinate. Okay, so you just need to simplify this guys. Okay, pemudahkan yang ni saja. And then you can get the answer. M ratio N equal to 3 ratio 2. Okay, are you clear guys? You must understand ratio means divide. Bila nampak nisbah, dia maksudnya bahagi. So ini cara kamu baca yang ni. Faham? Do you get it guys? The concept? So this is how you solve. Okay? Can So this is for question A. Alright, next one. So they ask you to find the value of P guys. Kamu kena cari nilai P. Okay, so how do we find the P guys? Okay, you see over here. This is your P. Okay, so you already get the M and N, right? So M is 3, N is 2. Based on just now answer. Okay, M 3, N 2. So, what can you do? You just use the formula. So guys, over here, are you using the X coordinate or Y coordinate? May I know guys? Now you want to find the P. So do you use the X coordinate formula or Y coordinate formula? Yes, you use the Y one lah. So you compare the number 4 now. Bandingkan 4. So 4 equal to N Y1 plus M Y2 over M plus N. Okay, can you see it? So now you just solve for the P. Cross multiply, you will get the answer P equal to 1. Okay, understand? Boleh dapat jawapan dia? Question B? Yeah, you should get P equal to 1. Okay, can so far? Semua jelas? All clear? No question? Okay, Nana. Alright, continue. Pergi lagi. Okay, so now they ask you to find the area of triangle ABD. Okay, so guys, do you all still remember how to find area? Coordinate geometry? Masih ingat? What is the formula? You see guys, this chapter, everything is about formula 1. Yes, the cos one. Very smart, Yeah, that's how you can describe it. Yang silang-silang tu, itu rumus dia guys. Yes, shoelace method, correct. So guys, very simple. Half, modulus. Okay, you can start anywhere. They want you to find A, B, D. So you just use A, B, D coordinate. That's all. So 0, 9, negative 3, 1, 7, 6, like this. Macam ni. Okay, so you just need to use the shoelace method. Guna kaedah ikat tali kasut. Then you can find the area. Okay, can guys? Understand? For question C, faham? Understand? Huh? Guys, you see this one again? Huh? Is it correct? What I write? Yang ni betul tak? Then you must correct me. Guys, don't just say understand. Jangan saja kata faham. Betulkan saya. Kalau saya buat silap, please guys, please correct me when I do wrong. Yes, you must put 09. I simply make mistake to test yourself whether you understand or not. Saya sengaja buat silap. Remember, you must end with the same coordinate that you start. Kamu kena akhir dengan koordinat yang kamu mula. Faham? Sengaja tak nak bagi tahu. Wah, smart lah. Smart are you? Like that means you lose lah. Kamu saja yang rugi. Am I right? You learn the wrong thing, guys. Don't learn the wrong thing. I understand but I didn't focus. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, now you know. Alright? Darab ke bawah atau ke atas? Bawah dulu. Atas ke bawah. Lepas tu tolak bawah ke atas. Faham? So konsep dia macam ni. Let me show you an example. So you get half. Okay, you take 0 times 1 plus negative 3 times 6. Can you see the pattern, guys? Nampak tak? 7 times 9. Macam ni. Okay? And then opposite. When you go opposite, always must put minus sign. Bila kamu pergi arah bertentangan, selalunya tolak. So minus 9 times negative 3. Something like that. Plus 1 times 7, 6 times 0. Dapat tak guys? Do you understand? So then just press calculator lah guys. Tekan saja yang ni. Then you will get the answer. Okay? So this is the answer for question C. Okay, wait. Okay, so your final answer is 32.5 unit square. Okay, make sure you put the unit guys. Kena letak unit kuasa 2. Final answer. Okay, can guys? Question 3. Are you clear? Soalan 3. Any problem? Can Okay, next one. Question number 4. Okay, so for question 4 is about simultaneous. Kaedah persamaan serentak saja. So this one is your form 4 chapter 3. Okay, do we lose mark? Depend on the examiner. If you unlucky, then you get a strict examiner, then they minus your mark lah. Kalau dapat pemeriksa yang strict, akan hilang markah. This mark lah, kamu akan hilang final answer. Although your answer correct guys, even if you don't have unit, then you might lose the mark. Okay, so make sure always put unit. Selalu letak untuk selamat. Okay, alright. Next one. Okay, so you see this question guys. So you need to form 3 equation. Am I right? Kena bentuk 3 persamaan. So guys, can you all tell me what is your first equation here? Apa persamaan pertama kamu? Okay, you see this information. You can get the first equation. Lihat ya ni. So anyone? Can you construct your first equation? You just type out only. Simple. Anyone? Can you share your answer? Boleh kongsi your first equation? Just type. Okay, yes, correct. 2x plus y. Ryan, I think you mean z, right? If not mistaken. Okay, it should be z. Okay, so that more accurate. Yeah, 2x plus y plus z. Okay, so that we follow the pattern. If you use A, B, then you use C. Follow the alphabet. Okay, so first equation, 2x plus y plus z equal to 25.20. Okay, so this is first. Second, can you all tell me persamaan yang kedua? Okay, so you see over here, this one. Wait, all this second equation. So it's better if you guys can highlight, easier to see. Senang nak nampak. Okay, how come got 2C? Okay guys, careful lah. Don't use C and C ya. Kalau guna C dan C, nanti dia jadi 5C. Salah, kamu kena guna huruf berlainan. 3 huruf berlainan. Okay, 3 separate letter. Okay, so you just follow the order guys. 4x plus 5y plus z equal to 55. This is your second equation guys. Persamaan kedua. Clear? Okay, last one. Can you tell me final equation? This one? Yang ni yang terakhir. So what is your equation? Five x plus 6y. You forget z. Malik. Z. And a tip. This one. Ada satu tip kat sini. Plus z. Okay, yes. Correct. Okay, so 5x plus 6y plus z equal to 66.70. Okay, so these are your three equations here guys. 3 persamaan. So guys, what can you do now? You can use your substitution or elimination. Okay, guna penggantian penghapusan, find your x, y, and z. That's all. Okay, so it depends on you lah. Okay, so you can see over here. Over here they never show the method. Okay, so what you can do is, can you see here guys? You see z, right? Nampak z kan? So you can actually eliminate, hapuskan. You can take 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 2x plus 4y, z cancel, and then 55 minus 25.2, 29.8. So this is your fourth equation, persamaan keempat. Can you see? So do you have to clarify the x, y, and z? Yes, correct. Yes, you must clarify because the question never tell anything. Kamu kena tulis anggapan juga guys. X sama dengan harga kopi, price of coffee. Y equal to price of donut, harga donut. Z equal to price of tip, harga tip. Faham? Kena tulis macam ni. Okay, sebelum kamu mula selesaikan. Alright? Okay, next. You guys can compare these two equations, number 3 and 2. So you can take 3 minus 2. 3 tolak 2. So you will get x plus y, z cancel, equal to 66.7 minus 55. So it's 11.7. Okay, so you now focus on these two equations only lah guys. Kamu lihat dua ni saja. So guys, what can you do? You can use substitution or elimination again. Guna penghapusan atau penggantian. So example, I use substitution. So x equal to 11.7 minus y. I substitute inside here. Gantikan saja. Okay, then you will solve for y. Selesaikan untuk y. Okay, so you should get these answers. Okay, ini adalah jawapan dia. So you should get x, y, z. So x is 850, y is 320, z equal to 5. Okay, can guys? Boleh? Dapat the concept? So you just solve lah, simultaneous guys. This is the method I use. There are many methods guys. Ada banyak kaedah. This is only one method. Okay, can Alright. And then the second part, they ask you to determine whether, okay, let me show you here. So they ask you to find the maximum number of set if each set consists of a cup of coffee and donut. So X and Y. So isi RM 100 guys. 100 ni peruntukan dia. So means that you take RM 100, divide the price of coffee and donut. So X is 850, Y is 320. So you find the total jumlah because you want to find the number of set guys. So you just press calculator lah, 8.5 and then 100 over answer. So the answer is 8.547. Okay? But guys, number of sets, bilangan set. Kamu nampak soalan. Maximum number of set. Can I leave my answer like this? Yes or no? Boleh tinggal macam ni? Cannot. So what is the final answer? Jawapan akhir. 8 or 9? 8 atau 9? Bukan. Sekarang dia tanya bilangan set guys. Number of set. Number of set tak ada unit. Bilangan set saja. So kamu tulis 8 atau 9? May I know? Okay, got two different answer. Okay, so how to know guys? Macam mana tahu? Very simple guys. You check and see lah. This one, sorry, I use different color. Green. You take this one times 8. Okay, you check and see guys. 8.5 plus 3.2 times 8. Your answer is 93.6. This is for 8. If 9, 8.5 plus 3.2 times 9. Your answer is 105.3. So guys, which one is correct? 93.6 or 105.3? Peruntukan dia 100 saja. Only 100. So if you compare these two, this one is wrong already. Am I right? Because it's higher than your budget. Okay, 105.3 is higher than 100. Lebih tinggi, so tak boleh. So you need to go for this one. Kamu kena pilih yang ni. So that's why your answer is 8. Are you clear guys? Kenapa jawapan 8? Because it must be less than 100. Kena lebih kurang atau sama dengan 100 sahaja. Okay? Can now? So your answer is 8 set. Okay? Like this lah. Itu saja. This is how you solve it. Okay? Alright. Next one. Question number 5. Soalan kelima. Okay, so now we come to Form 4 Chapter 5 guys. Progression. Janjang. Okay. So guys, first question. They ask you to show this formula. Kamu kena buktikan rumus ni guys. Do you all know how to prove this formula? May I know? Tell honestly ya guys. Kamu semua tahu tak macam mana buktikan rumus ni? Yes or no? Form 4 you guys learn already ya. Tingkatan 4 sudah belajar yang ni. Chapter 5. Janjang. Tak tahu? Okay, let me revise with you guys. Kita ulang kaji. You must know how to prove guys. SPM will ask SPM pasti tanya. So you must know how to do proving. Kena tahu soalan buktikan. Okay? Alright. So now, you see this one guys. Okay, so first step, you know SN, right? SN is what guys? SN is the sum of all the term. Oh, okay. Understand. Yeah. That's why I say it's very famous to come out. Don't worry. I will explain this chapter. You guys got do other proving or not for other chapters? Like chapter 1, chapter 2, and maths, form 4 time. Kamu pernah cuba tak soalan buktikan bab-bab lain? Other than chapter 5? Yes or no? Have you guys got try proving question? Got try, right? The most important thing is you must know the concept. Don't memorize the step. Jangan hafal, kena faham. Okay, if you memorize, you will forget one. Trust me, kamu akan lupa. Always wrong, never mind. You must know the concept. That's why I say, if you know the concept, confirm you'll be correct. Okay? Alright, so we focus on this one guys. We want to prove the SN formula for geometric. So guys, SN means what? SN is the sum of all the terms, right? Hasil tambah semua sebutan. So guys, do you agree? SN is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus until Tn. Means you plus until the nth term that we don't know. Kita tak tahu sebutan ke n. Okay. So now T1 I can write as A. T2 I can write as AR. How I know? Because I'm using this formula, guys. TR equal to AR power n minus 1. So example T2 equal to AR power 2 minus 1. So it's AR. That's why I get AR here. Understand? So plus AR square plus dot 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 AR kuasa n tolak 1. Understand? This is how you write your first equation, guys. Persamaan pertama. Okay? So if you want to memorize easily, do you want to know a funny method, guys? Nak kaedah senang tak? Nak hafal? Anyone? Do you want an easy method? Okay, very simple, guys. Very funny method, kaedah yang lucu, guys. You see over here, A is A, right? AR is AR, right? AR square is ARR, right? Am I right? So how, guys? How do you pronounce this letter? Macam mana kamu sebut yang ni, guys? You guys get the concept, right? Like that lah, guys. You extend the R, guys. Kamu panjangkan R2 because it's going to come AR cube plus AR4 plus AR5. So more R, lebih banyak R. This one I don't know lah, guys. Yang ni saya tak tahu macam mana sebut lah. Kamu kena tahu yang tu. Okay, this one I don't know, guys. Understand? Boleh faham? Senang kan? So just remember this, guys. SN, geometric, proving, you think of this. Think of the sound. Fikir bunyi, kamu boleh tulis dah. Yang ni. Everything plus. Semua tambah. That's all. Settle. So this is the first one. Okay? Second one. Okay. With one equation is not enough, guys. Satu persamaan tak cukup. So the second equation, you must times everything by R, guys. Kamu kena darab seluruh persamaan dengan R. So what you get? You get like this, right? Dapat macam ni kan? Something like this. And then you will get AR power n. Is it correct? Yeah, correct. So guys, this is your second equation. Persamaan kedua. So how to prove this formula, guys? Macam mana buktikan yang ni? You just use simultaneous concept. So you see 1 minus R, right? So you take equation 1 minus equation 2. 1 tolak 2. So you have Sn minus Rsn equal to A minus AR plus AR minus AR square. Can you see, guys, the concept? Nampak tak? Can you all see it? I'm just doing simultaneous equation. Kaedah penghapusan saja, guys. Elimination method. Can you see? Okay. So, what you want to get, guys? You want to get something like this, right? Nak dapat macam ni kan, the formula. Okay, you see over here. Minus AR square, minus AR plus AR. Cancel, right? Minus AR square plus AR square. Can cancel also. Semua akan potong, guys. All will cut in the end. The only thing that is left, right? Apa yang tinggal is your A and also your AR power n minus 1. Okay? Yang ni saja akan tinggal. Only this one, it should be a minus here because we minus. Tolak. So you only left with this one at the end. Power n. Yang ni. So you only have this one and this one. Ada dua ni saja. Can you see the concept, guys? All this, you will actually cut off because it's minus and plus. Minus AR plus AR. Like what I show you. So all will cut. Semua akan potong. So you only left the first one and the last one. Kamu ada yang pertama dan terakhir. Can you see, guys? So over here, what you do is, you factorize out Sn. Faktorkan. You factorize out A. Do you see your formula, guys? Nampak tak rumus kamu? Sn equal to A 1 minus R power n over 1 minus R. Done. Kita dah buktikan. Understand? Are you clear, guys? How to prove it? Simple or not? Senang tak? Understand? Comment please. So the most important thing you must remember is the two equation. Kamu kena hafal dua persamaan. Apa yang kamu kena bentukkan? So one equation is Sn, the other equation is Rsn kali R. That's all. So this is how you prove it. That's all. You get the answer. Okay? Continue. Pergi lagi. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for this one, they tell you the common ratio is 1/3. Nisbah sepunya, 1/3. And then, sum of 14 terms. Hasil tambah 14 sebutan pertama. So, S14 equal to 6.75. So, you just interpret all your info, guys. Keluarkan semua info. So, they want you to find the first term. Cari sebutan pertama. So, you just start with this information lah, guys. Guna yang ni. So, guys, do you all still remember Sn, geometric? Your formula is here already actually. Soalan sudah bagi tadi. This one. So, you just use the formula. So, A, we don't know. 1 minus R. R is 1/3 power N. Okay, N is 14 because we have 14 already. And then over 1 minus 1/3. So this whole thing is equal to 6.75. Do you understand, guys? Boleh dapat the concept? How I get the equation? Understand? So from here, just press calculator lah, guys. Tekan saja. So 1 minus 1/3 power 14. So your answer is 0.99. Wow, got many nines lah. Banyak 9. Something like this. This is from your calculator. Equal to 6.75 times 2/3. So just press calculator. Okay, 4.5. So then you can get the A. Am I right? Cari nilai A saja. So you should get final answer is 1 minus 1/3 power 14. So your A value is 4.5. 4.5. Okay? Are you clear, guys? How to get the answer? Dapat? Jelas? So this is your answer. Okay? So final answer 4.5. Continue. Pergi lagi. Okay, so now they ask you to find the sum of infinity. Hasil tambah ketakterhinggaan. So guys, do you all still remember what is the formula? S infinity. Can you comment if you still remember? Very good. Bagus. A over 1 minus R. So A, this one. R, 1/3. 1/3 is your common ratio. You can see here. Okay, so you have all the information, just substitute and press calculator, get the answer. Okay, so the answer is 27/4. That's all. Clear? Question number 5. Jelas, guys? Yang kelima. Okay, so the most important thing, question number 5, is you must know how to do the proving. Buktikan for Sn. Make sure you guys remember. Okay? Alright. So now we come to question 6. Form 4, chapter 4. Indices, surd, and log. This question is very good because it tests you on all the concept. Indices, surd, and log in one question. Okay. So this one, guys, they ask you to rationalize the denominator. Nisbahkan. So how do I rationalize this, guys? May I know? Macam mana? You must use a concept you all learn in Form 4, Chapter 4. Yes, you use the conjugate surd. Correct. Remember this concept, guys. Whenever you see surd as a denominator, kamu nampak surd tu kat bawah pecahan, kena guna surd conjugate. Faham? So your surd conjugate is times surd 5 minus surd 3. So positive bottom change to become negative. That's all. So you solve lah, guys. Selesaikan. So you will get 3 times 5 minus 3 surd 15 over 5 minus 3. So this will be your answer lah. So you get 12 minus 3 and then what else? Divide 3. Okay. Surd 15 you cannot simplify, guys. Tak boleh permudahkan lagi. So you just leave it like that. So this is your answer lah, guys. 12 minus 3 third 15 over 2. Okay? Wait, did I make... Oh, sorry. 3 times 5 is 15. Oh my God. I make a careless mistake. Okay? Clear, guys? Understand this one? Faham? How to get it? Can, Okay, next one. Okay, this question nice, guys. Can you all tell me, how do you solve this? Macam mana boleh selesaikan yang ni? They ask you to solve for your x. So how? Think and see. Very simple actually. Senang saja. But what must you do over here to solve for x? Okay. It's a good try, but not correct. Tak betul. There is something else you can do here, guys. If you notice something, whenever you play with indices, right, guys, you must be aware of the whole equation. Kena lihat persamaan betul-betul. Log 2 times 4. No, bukan. Yes, is the base, guys. Is the base. Cannot 64 over 4 cannot guys. You cannot just simply shift over here. Tak boleh pindahkan macam tu. Cannot. So you must play with the base, guys. Main dengan asas. So guys, do you all notice or not? 64 is what? 64 equal to 4 base 3. Am I right, guys? 4 power 3. So guys, you can already solve. Boleh selesaikan. Because you have the same base. Ada kuasa sama. So always try to think of the simplest method. Fikir kaedah paling senang. So over here, just solve lah. So you just need to compare the power. Bandingkan kuasa sahaja. So log 2x equal to 3. So 2 power 3 equal to x. So x is equal to 8. Done. Simple or not, guys? Senang kan? If you choose the correct method, right? You see how fast can solve? Sangat pantas. Boleh dapat jawapan. X equal to 8. Like that only. Okay? Alright. Next one. So they ask you to count the minimum number of years. Okay? Cari bilangan tahun minimum. So they say exceed, melebihi 20,000. So 1,500, 1 plus. Why they put like this? Okay, just write 1.08 and lah, guys. Simple. Exceed is this symbol lah, guys. Kalau dia cakap melebihi, ini adalah simbol dia. Okay? So guys, you see the n as a power. So what must I do here? Kena buat apa? This is the most common question you will see in advanced, guys. Selalu kamu akan nampak yang ni. So what do I do here? How to find the n? Anyone? Macam mana cari nilai n? Anyone? Come on. N value? How? Macam mana? Give me some suggestion. Yes, you can add log. Log asas 10. Okay, just add log base 10, guys, on both sides. So you get something like this. Okay, so now you can bring down the n, guys. Bawa n ni turun. So you will get n log 10 1.08 greater than or equal to log 10 40 over 3. So now pindahkan yang ni lah. Just shift it to the right hand side. So n, okay. Be careful lah, guys. Hati-hati kat sini. Guys, you must always remember, check the value of your log first. Tekan calculator. Is it positive or negative, guys? This value? May I know? Try to press your calculator. Cuba tekan. Is it positive or negative? Log 10, 1.08. Yes, it's a positive answer, guys. So guys, when it's positive, do I need to change the symbol? Yes or no? Perlu tak saya tukar simbol ke taksaman tu? Tak perlu. But if it's negative, must you change the symbol, guys? Let's say if negative, negative kena tukar, guys. Ingat, that's why I say you must count the value first. Tekan dalam calculator dulu. So that kamu tak buat silap kat sini. Alright? Because your answer will be different one. Okay? So you just press calculator lah. Log 40 over 3 over answer. So you should get 33.66. 33.66. Okay, so final answer, you just say for 34 lah guys. Okay, jawapan akhir is 34 because you round off, bundakan. Alright, understand guys? Question 6, faham? So question 6 is 7 marks, 7 markah. So quite easy to score lah. Senang untuk score. Okay, alright, next one. The last one for section A, question 7. Okay, so for question 7 is talking about vectors. Form 4, chapter 8. Who don't like vectors? Over here. Siapa tak suka vector? Form 4 bab 8. Okay, focus for those who don't like, focus on all the question I discussed. Okay, it will mainly cover everything already lah guys. Soalan yang saya bincangkan akan bincang seluruh topik tu dah. Usually it will be like that. Because this one all are trial questions that I discuss. Soalan percubaan. Tak habis Yang ni form 4? Form 4 tak belajar ke? Yang ni. Kamu sekarang form 5 kan? Tapi cikgu tak. Oh, cikgu cover separuh saja. Form 4. Kenapa? Kamu semua ada 1 tahun kan? Masa form 4. Oh, touch and go. Oh, okay. I didn't know this. Never mind. You guys know my YouTube channel, right? All of you. You all know. My channel got video on this topic. You guys go and watch. Don't know. Just search my name. Very simple. Just search my name on YouTube. Kai, my assistant, link please. If you have, please share the link to them. So you can actually go and this is my channel. Okay, so you guys can refer over there for Form 4 Chapter 8. I have videos on that, if I'm not mistaken lah. Okay, got the recording and question? You mean this one Today's one. Today's one I will post over there also in my YouTube, because this one is revision for Form 4. All right. Okay. So focus now here, guys. Okay. So they ask you to find AB. Okay. So how to find AB, guys? What is the combination of vector that you can think of? You never study, then you go watch the video, confirm can. Yes. You guys can see it for SPM with my video lah, guys. Confirm one. You no need to study also. Just see my video and learn. Very simple nowadays, guys. Nowadays modern already. No need to use textbook, no need all that. Everything is YouTube one, guys. Every subject also you can learn from YouTube and go for SPM. As long as you do practice, settle. Enough already. Okay? Alright. So now, AO. Do we have information, guys? Vector AO. You see the question. Okay, you have OA, right? So mean that AO is just negative lah. Just add the negative K. Terbalikkan. So you add negative. So plus OB. Negative 4, negative 6. Something like this. Alright. So then just expand. Kembangkan. So you will have minus 4, minus 6. Are you clear, guys? This is your answer. Ini adalah jawapan. Because the question say express. When question say express, you don't need to find the value. Tak perlu cari nilai. The keyword here is ungkapkan. Okay, so you can leave your answer something like this. Okay, can So this is your answer. Simple, right? Senang kan? This is vector lah, guys. This chapter is quite fun for me, like games. Yes, vector is just like playing with Lego. Have you all played Lego before? Yes or no? When you guys small time, Lego. You know Lego, right? So Lego, you have to combine, right? Kamu kena cantum semua blok tu kan untuk hasilkan objek. Vector is like that lah. You are finding the combination of blocks to get the final result. So this is your final result. Example, AB. So this is one block. This is another block. You combine, you get the final result. AB. That is vector. Understand? That is the concept of vector. Alright? Just the addition of vectors. Itu adalah konsep dia. Penambahan dua vektor bagi satu vektor yang lain. Okay? Alright. Next one. Question number 2. So guys, what they want you to find over here? May I know? You see modulus. So modulus means what? in vector? Yes, you must find the magnitude. Okay, so the formula is just like Pythagoras theorem. Remember, magnitude formula for vector, you just use the same formula as Pythagoras. Means that square root a square plus b square. That's the formula. So, this one square plus this one square. Square root. That's all. So, you need to expand a bit lah guys. Kena kembangkan. So, you expand this, you get 4k square and then plus 16k plus 16. And then you expand this one also plus 100k square minus 120k plus 36. Okay, so you simplify this, you will get this answer. So you just leave your answer like this. Enough. No need to do anything else. Okay, clear? Question A2. Senang, right? Very simple, right? Okay, so this is all the basic, the question testing you on vector. Okay, then they tell you another thing. AB equal to BC. They want you to show this, guys. Kamu kena buktikan. So, of course, you're going to use this information. Am I right? So, BC, you must find the vector also. So, BC equal to BO plus OC. So, BO negative of OB plus OC for 8. So, your answer is 8 and 14. So, this is your vector BC. So, magnitude of BC, so you just equal to square root 8 square plus 14 square. Because they say magnitude AB equal to magnitude BC. So, square root and square root cancel, potong. So, you will get a quadratic equation, guys. Okay, do I need to show the step, guys? Perlu tak saya tunjuk langkah? You guys just simplify this lah. 8 square plus 14 square. You press calculator, 260, and then shift all to the left hand side. Pindah ke kiri. So you will get minus 208 equals 0. And you divide by 104. So you will get this. Okay, this one is divide 104. Okay, clear guys? You get the same answer. Understand? Question B1? Boleh faham? So this is another part of vector. You must know about magnitude. Okay, next one. They ask you find the two possible vector for AB. Okay, so for AB, it is this one, right? Yang ni kan? AB. So guys, you must find the K value. Am I right? Kena cari nilai K. So, you solve the quadratic equation. Selesaikan. So, K square minus K minus 2 equals 0. Factorize. So, you have K, K, 2, 1, negative, positive. So, K is negative 1, K equal to 2. Faham? Sampai sekarang guys? Boleh dapat? How I get the K value? Okay, so here, how many answer will you have guys? May I know? Berapa jawapan kamu akan ada? You see you have 2K value. You need to substitute inside here. Gantikan kat sini. So, how many answer? Berapa jawapan? Yes, you have 2K value. So, 2 answer lah. 2 jawapan. You substitute one by one. Okay, that's why you see the question say find the 2. Cari 2 vector. Because you have 2K value. So, you just write out 2 answers. Okay, tulis saja 2 jawapan. Okay, so these one are your answers. Okay, clear guys? Jelas? Question 7. Understand how to solve? Can ah? Boleh? Okay, next one. Okay, so now we come to section B, bahagian B. Okay guys, so for section B, you only need to solve 3 question. Hanya perlu pilih 3 saja in your exam. So guys, you all tell me which question you want me discuss. Can? Kamu bagi tahu saya soalan mana nak. Okay, so question 8 is linear law, hukum linear. Question 9 is also linear law because I can only use form 4 topic, so it will repeat. And then question 10 is coordinate, geometry. And question 11 is vector. Okay, so you all tell me the numbers guys. Bagi saya nombor. Mana 3 soalan yang kamu nak? Bagi tahu terus 3 soal mana. Bagi 3. Bagi 3 terus. 3 numbers. Okay, 9, 10, 11. The rest? You all tell me in 3. I follow the majority. Okay, 9, 10, 11 also. Okay, so we discuss 9, 10, 11 lah. Majority. So that cover all the topic. One shot. Okay, so this one. Question number 9. Okay, linear law guys. Linear law is a must. Score 10 marks. Mesti kena score 10 markah. Because very simple. Sangat straightforward guys. Okay, so over here. You see the question. Plot log 10k against log 10h. So, first step, whenever you see linear law question guys, what must you do first? Kena buat apa dulu? Whenever you see linear law come, the question never say anything, but you must do this first step. What is this step? Yes, very good. Even though the question say don't draw table, just draw it. Lukis saja. Because sometimes you might have a mark over there. So always draw out your table first. Okay? Yes, you must change the value. Okay, so you just draw a table for log 10h and also log 10k. So just press calculator guys. So you have to press many times lah, 6 times. Okay, so I no need to show that lah. You guys just log 10 all these answers one by one. Okay, just don't make careless mistake. Jangan buat silap saja. Okay, so you will get this one as your answer. All right. Okay, one more thing you must take note. Make sure your decimal place is consistent guys. Pastikan titik perpuluhan kamu sama. So when you see over here, they maintain 2 dp always. Selalu maintain 2 titik perpuluhan. Faham guys? Do you understand? Especially when your value is like very long in the calculator, you can round off, bundakan. Okay, so how you know? Is based on your scale guys. You see the scale in the question. 2 cm, 0.2. So you must imagine guys. Cuba bayangkan atas kertas graph. 2 cm to 0.2 unit. So mean that you have 10 boxes. Okay, kamu ada 10 kotak kecil lah in between. So that's why I use until 2 dp. Do you understand guys? Kenapa saya guna 2 dp? If you use, let's say you use 3 dp guys. Kamu guna 3 titik perpuluhan. Kamu boleh plot tak atas graph? Can you plot this value? Yes or no? If you have 3 decimal place. Think and see. Example 0.225. Can you plot this value or not? Cannot. Very hard, right? Correct. Tak boleh 1 dp juga kalau macam tu. Yes, correct. That is right. Can you see here guys? This value over here, 0.70. This is an example guys. You cannot write 0.7 only. If you write 0.7 wrong, salah. Why? Decimal place only 1. The rest is 2. So not consistent. Tak sama. Titik perpuluhan. So make sure. If it's 0.7 your answer, add the 0 at the back. Tambah kosong. Okay? Alright. So now you can draw the mula lukis. Okay, so you see your graph, you should get something like this. So just plot according to your table. Alright? Okay, so you can see this is your best fit. Garis lurus penyuaian terbaik. Okay, so can you see guys? 1 point below the line, 1 point above the line. This is what we call as best fit. Penyuaian terbaik. Kena balance. Atas garis dan bawah garis. Bilangan titik dia tu. Kalau 1 titik atas, 1 titik bawah. 1 top, 1 bottom. 2 top, 2 bottom. Can you see guys? So you see this point, this point, this point, and this point. All is on the line. Keempat-empat titik atas garis. Oh, you got 3 means, usually you won't have like that one. It will be an even number so that you can balance one. It will either be 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that. The number of points must be even. That's why they tell you over here to plot 6 points. Am I right? You see over here, you have 6 points. Even. Nombor dia kena genap. So that the points easier to balance. Okay? Always is 6 points for your SPM, linear law. most of the question is 6.1. Okay, all right. So you can see over here how they give the mark. So if you plot correctly, uniform scale, skala seragam, you will get 1 mark. Yeah, 1 mark. And then they will check all your point, do you plot correctly or not? 1 more mark. And then your best fit line correct or not? 1 more mark. So 3 marks. So usually graph alone is 3 marks, linear law. Okay, always remember these 3 points you must have. Okay, can so this is like very technical so just make sure you guys draw the best fit line correct. Why? Because it will affect your answer over here. Dia akan pengaruhi jawapan. So try to draw it as accurate as possible. Bagi dia sangat tepat so that your answer here also correct. Okay, alright. Kalau straight line kena satu titik je boleh. Boleh. Asalkan balance lah. Tapi kalau satu titik dia kena saja, total you have 6 point, right guys? Kalau kena satu, baki 5 kan tak kena. Macam mana kamu akan balance 5 titik? Mustahil kan? 3, 2, tak balance. 2, 3, tak balance. 1, 4, tak balance. So nombor titik yang tak sentuh garis tu tak boleh ganjil. Macam 5. Faham tak? The number of point that not touch your best fit line cannot be an odd number. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Something like that. Understand guys? Must always be even number so that you can balance. So means that maybe your best fit line is wrong lah. Kamu lukis secara salah. So kamu kena perbetulkan lagi pembaris kamu. Faham tak? Try to draw a line that pass through most of the points. Okay? All right. Okay. So now, you have to convert this equation, guys. So how do you convert over here the equation? Apa yang kamu akan buat? So very simple. You just see your axis, guys. You want to plot log 10k, right? So what must you do over here? How to get log 10k? Very simple. You just add log. Am I right? You just add log on both sides of the equation. Tambah log 10. Can you see, guys? Yes, change into that format. Correct. So guys, when divide, what can you do with log? Bahagi jadi apa? On my right hand side, you will become minus. Am I right? Jadi tolak. So you will have h power 1 over p minus log 10q. So it's something like this. Okay? So guys, 1 over p, what can I do over here? Boleh buat apa? The 1 over p over there. I can do something based on your log. Yes, bring it down. Correct. So log 10k equal to 1 over p log 10h minus log 10q. Okay, so can you see, guys? Y equal to mx plus c. Boleh nampak tak format dia? You can see jadi y equal to mx plus c. So your m is equal to 1 over p. Your c equal to negative log 10q. So the question is, find the p and q. Cari nilai dia. So how to get the p? You must find your gradient first lah, guys. Cari kecerunan. So you have to use your graph. Okay? Alright, guys. How you find gradient? May I know? Macam mana kamu cari kecerunan? Hukum linear. This one important, guys. How you use the graph to find gradient. Basically, what you must do is, you must just choose points on the line. Kamu kena pilih titik atas garis. So can you see, guys? Example, you can choose any point lah. Maybe this one. Can you see this point over here? Don't choose the point you plot, guys. Biasanya jangan pilih titik yang kamu plot. Pilih titik yang lain di atas garis. Use other points on your line. So you just choose anything as long as it cross with the box. So maybe you can see what else. Any other points. When you draw on the paper, you can see clearer. Maybe this point over here, it crossed the line. Can you see, guys? So what you do is, you just form a triangle. Bentuk segitiga. Macam ni. You just form a triangle. try to make the distance between the 2 points very far. Bagi dia jarak tu sangat panjang. Why? Because you want to get a more accurate gradient. Nak dapat kecerunan yang tepat. Faham? So further point is better. Bagi titik tu jauh yang kamu pilih. 2 titik tu. Faham? Can guys? So you can see the example here. So you see over here, they choose these 2 points. Mereka pilih yang ni. So this is the point. First point, second point. Okay? So the answer, it can be different from this. It's okay one. Kalau jawapan tak sama dengan ini, yang ni, tak apa. Akan ada julat dalam skema. Okay, the answer scheme will give you range one. So don't worry. If your answer is different from this, it can still be correct. Okay? This is just an example of answer only. Okay? Can guys? Are you clear? How to do it? Jelas? Okay, just now I think I make a mistake here. This one is actually P over 2. It's not 1 over P because it's square root. So it's P over 2. Okay, sorry for the mistake. This one is P over 2. Okay, that's why gradient is equal to P over 2, not 1 over P. Okay, boleh? Are you clear guys? So now you must find the Q. Cari Q. So find your y-intercept guys. Cari pintasan y. So you can see over here, this one is your y-intercept. So what is the value guys? Can you all read for me? Apa nilai yang ni? Try to tell me. What is the value you get? Anyone? Apa nilai dia? Pintasan y. Yes, correct. The answer is 0.84. Okay, this one is 0.9. So one small box is 0.02. Okay, satu kotak kecil 0.02. So what you do is you just see your equation lah. C is equal to negative log 10Q, right? So negative log 10Q equal to 0.84. So log 10Q equal to negative 0.84. So Q is equal to 10 power negative 0.84. So this is the answer you get. Okay? Clear guys? Linear law? Soalan ni jelas? Soalan 9? Understand how to solve it? Can Okay, continue. Question number 10. Okay, so this one is on coordinate geometry. Form 4, chapter 7. Again, but a different type of question. Okay, so for this one, they telling you M is a midpoint of AC. Okay, important keyword. M is a midpoint. Mean that sama jarak lah. AM, MC. Same distance. And then B lies on the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of AC. Maksudnya yang ni lah. This is perpendicular bisector. Pembahagi serenjang. Garis. Okay. So now they ask you to find the equation of perpendicular bisector. Okay, very simple. First, what must you find guys? Kamu nak cari persamaan garis ni sekarang. So, what information you must have? Apa info kena ada? You must know that first. So anyone? First thing, what do I find? Anyone? Come on, think and see. Kena cari apa? You must focus on this line guys. Kamu kena lihat garis ni first. So, you can find the gradient, right? Cari kecerunan AM. Am I right? So you can find the gradient. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is the gradient for AM. So you will get negative 3 over 2. Correct? Okay, so now, can you all tell me, for this pink line, yang merah jambu ni, apa kecerunan dia guys? Come on, tell me the gradient. It's perpendicular, serenjang. So you should know what formula. Yes. Okay, the gradient should be MBM equal to 2 over 3. Okay, the formula is M1, M2 equal to negative 1. This is for perpendicular, berserenjang. Remember. Okay? So now, can you form the equation, guys? Boleh bentuk kan? So, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. This is how you form equation. Add maths. This is add maths formula, guys. Rumus matematik tambahan. Alright? So you can use this point because it passed through the point. So y equal to 3 and then m equal to 2 over 3, x1 equal to negative 5. So this is your equation lah, guys. Just expand this one. Kembangkan yang ni. So your answer will get this one. So y equal to 2 over 3x plus 19 over 3. Okay? Clear? Question A, guys. Jelas how to solve? Can? So this one is how you use the concept of perpendicular, serenjang. So the most important formula is this one over here. Okay? All right. So next one, they ask you to find the area of quadrilateral. Okay, same concept like just now. A, B, C, D. Okay, so first step, you must find the coordinate of C. How to find coordinate of C, guys? Macam mana tahu coordinate yang ni? Come on. They tell you M is the midpoint. M tu titik tengah. So, what formula? Come on. Kena guna rumus apa? Can you all comment? Just type for me a bit. Yes, midpoint formula, right? So, negative 5, 3 equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Okay, I assume my coordinate C is xy. Saya buat anggapan yang ni. Because I don't know what is coordinate C. So, I just call it as xy. You can do like this. Just panggil dia satu coordinate. Alright, so you can now solve for D. You just compare left hand side, right hand side. So negative 9 plus x equal to negative 10. So x is equal to negative 1. Okay, you already got your x. Now find the y. So 3 equal to 9 plus y over 2. So 9 plus y equal to 6. Y, sorry. Wait. Okay, so your y should get negative 3. So the coordinate is negative 1, negative 3. That is for coordinate C. Okay, now coordinate B also you need to find, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai K. How to find the K value? Very simple. You can use this equation. Am I right? You already got this equation. So you just need to sub lah, guys. Gantikan. X equal negative 8, y equal to K. So that you can find the value of K. So what is your answer? You should get 1. Okay, K sama dengan 1. So now, you can already find the area of quadrilateral. Boleh cari luas. So you just use the formula of half modulus. So coordinate A, negative 9, 9. Coordinate B, negative 8, 1. Coordinate C is negative 1, negative 3. And coordinate D, 1, 9. Remember, and with the same coordinate. Kena akhir dengan coordinate yang kamu mula. So negative 9, 9, negative 9, 9. Okay? Are you clear, guys? How to get this format? Jelas? So again, the method of solving is the same. Okay, kaedah selesaikan macam tadi. So I don't want to show already lah. It's the same thing. Okay, so this is your answer. You should get 86 final answer. Okay, can, guys? Can I have some response? Are you clear? Jelas? Don't sleep, guys. Jangan tertidur. Hopefully you guys still active. Sometimes admits can make you sleepy one, but don't sleep. Not sleeping. Make sure maintain the same focus. Maintain same focus. Doing homework. Oh, you're doing homework at the same time. Multitask. Wow. Okay, so now, hopefully you can focus although you're doing homework. Okay, so now, they say circle Z represent the locus of... Oh, the homework also is add maths. Okay, good. Then it's good thing. Okay, so now, circle Z is the locus. So they say the distance from point A is always constant. Okay, jarak titik P ke A adalah sama. So means that P is your moving point, guys. Titik P adalah titik bergerak. So guys, may I know what is the coordinate for point P? Can you all tell me? Apa coordinate titik P? Anyone? Think and see. What will be your coordinate for P? Anyone? Come on. You don't see P over here. Dalam wajah tak ada P. So, what do you think is the coordinate for P? Anyone don't know? Siapa tak tahu how to get coordinate P? Yes, the answer is XY, guys. Correct. Because you don't know the coordinate. Correct. The answer is XY. Whenever you don't know a coordinate, guys, you just label XY. Bila tak tahu coordinate, jawapan dia XY. Ingat yang tu untuk admits. Always like that one. Okay? Alright. So now they say P, distance from point A is constant. So PA, this is the distance. We don't know the value lah. Tak tahu nilai. And then they say point D lies on the circle. Okay, point D di atas bulatan Z. So they say P to A is constant. So guys, P is what? If the distance is constant, maksudnya P ni mewakili apa? What point is it? You think and see. Sorry. I must not ask P. I must ask you point A. What does point A represent in the circle? Because they say it's always constant. Yes, you make point A become the center of the circle. Very good. Betul. Okay, so mean that PA is equal to what? They say point D also lie on the circle. So mean that equal to AD. Am I right? Because A is the center. So A to P, the distance from A to D should also be the same. Sama. So you know how to find distance, right, guys? Just use the distance formula. Guna rumus jarak. Okay, so how they get the 10? The 10 come from the distance of AD. Okay, so for AD, you can see the distance is 10, right, guys? From negative 9 until 1. Negative 9 until 1 is 10 units. Correct? So that's why PA equal to 10 lah, because AD equal to 10. Understand? That's how they get it. All right. And then you just apply the distance formula, guna rumus jarak. So the formula is this one. Do you all still remember, guys? This formula? Masih ingat rumus ni? This is your distance formula. So you must know this one. Okay? So then you guys just expand this one. You will get this answer. Ini adalah jawapan dia. Okay? Clear, guys? Jelas for question 10? Can? Understand, huh? Okay, continue. Last one for section B. Okay, so this one is vectors. Form 4, chapter 8. Okay, so for this one, they ask you to find SQ, guys. Okay, so how to find SQ? Okay, so SQ is this one. Okay, so first step, in vector, you always label the diagram first. Okay, label wajah tu. So PK is equal to 2x. And then PQ is 3y. Okay, just label. PK to PS, 1 to 3. Okay, so you must use ratio, guys. PK over PS is 1 over 3. Okay, and then PK, you know, is 2x over PS equal to 1 over 3. Okay, actually must put arrow. Kena letak anak panah because it's vector. So you will get PS equal to 6x. Am I right? 6x. So this one, total 6x. So how much is this, guys? May I know? KS berapa? Yes, very good. 6x minus 2x. So 4x. Okay, so now you can find the SQ. Okay, so SQ very simple. So you can just take, wait, use different color. So SQ is equal to SP plus PQ. Very simple lah. So SP is negative, opposite direction, arah berlawanan. So negative 6x plus 3y, PQ. Done. This is how you find SQ. All right. So SQ is negative 6x plus 3y. All right. Okay, next one. They ask you to find PL. Okay, so how to find PL, guys? PL is this one. So you see this one. QQL equal to LS. All right. Okay, can use the ratio. So QL over LS equals to 1 over 2. Am I right? Okay. So QS or SQ. SQ just now you get negative 6x plus 3y, right? So QS equal to what, guys? Yeah, I know. QS sama dengan apa? Can you all comment? So you get SQ negative 6x plus 3y. So QS, what will it be? You just need to opposite now. Tukar. Berlawanan. Yes, very good. 6x minus 3y. You just times the whole thing by negative. Okay, then you get this answer. All right. Okay, so now you have to find QL, guys. Okay, so QL is actually 1 over 3 of QS. Do you agree with this, guys? Setuju yang ni? Because QL is one part, LS is two part. So if I want to find this line, nak cari panjang yang ni, so you just take 1 over total ratio. Jumlah nisbah is 2 plus 1, 3 of the whole line. Seluruh garis tu adalah QS. So that's why QL equal to 1 over 3 of QS. Okay, QS is 6x minus 3y. So substitute 6x minus 3y. So your answer is 2x minus y. Okay? Can? Boleh? So your answer is this one. Wait, how come the answer not there? Wait, sorry. They ask you to find PL. Sorry, guys. Tak habis lagi. You have to find PL. So PL is PQ plus QL. Okay, this direction over here. So you must take PQ. PQ is 3y. And then QL is 2x minus y. So you plus these two. So the answer is 2x plus 2y. Jawapan akhir. Okay, so the answer is this one. Alright. Are you clear, guys? Jelas? Understand? So far? Question A? Can? Still strong, guys? Masih kuat, kamu semua? Still can continue? Nak habis dah. After these two more questions, then settle already for today. Section C left only. Alright. So this one, you have these two vectors, guys. They ask you to find SR. Okay, so how do we get SR? Okay, very simple. They ask you in terms of bx and y. So guys, can I use this information or not? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya guna yang tu? You see the question. They want bxy. What do you all think? This one can use. Yes or no? Boleh atau tidak, guys? Anyone? Come on. Cannot. Because you see A over here, guys. Nampak A tak? You see the question don't have A. So mean that this information you cannot use right now. Tak boleh guna yang ni. So you can only focus on this one. Are you clear? Because you must have B. Okay, so guys, PR. PR I can say PS plus SR. Agree? Saya pecahkan. PR is PS plus SR. Because you see the question is SR. So that's why I have SR here. Understand? Saya nak cari SR. Okay, PL. PL is 2x plus 2y. So just copy. 2x plus 2y. Okay, PS. Do you have the answer untuk PS? Yes. Okay, PS we got 6x. So you just substitute lah. 6x plus SR equal to 2 over bx plus 2 over by. Minus PS. What do you mean? I don't understand. PR equal to PS plus SR. Am I right? So you get SR equal to 2 over B minus 6. Yeah, minus 6x. Correct. So you get like this. Minus 6x and then plus 2 over by. Okay? Can you see, guys? This is my final answer. jawapan akhir. Are you clear? Can? How to solve it? So you should get this one. Yeah, this one. SR. Okay? Can guys? So far? Boleh? Can Okay, continue. Okay, so now they ask you to find A and B, guys. Kamu kena cari nilai A dan B. So guys, how to find A and B? You have SR here. You also have SR here. So what can you do, guys? Simultaneous equation. Am I right? Kamu boleh buat persamaan serentak. So basically you have 2ay minus 2x is equal to 2 over by plus 2 over b minus 6x. Can you see, guys? I equalize the two information. Saya samakan dua-dua info tu. So you compare lah, guys. Y compare with Y. X compare with X. Can you see? I compare the coefficient. Bandingkan perkali X dan Y. So you have 2A equal to 2 over B. First equation. And you also have 2 equal to 2 over B minus 6. So can you solve for B? Yes. Boleh selesaikan for B. So 4 is 2 over B. B is equal to half. You already get B value. A value, substitute here. Gantikan. B is half. 2A equal to 4. A equal to 2. Done. Understand, guys? Boleh faham how I get my A and B? Are you clear? So the concept is simultaneous equation. Persamaan serentak. Alright? Any problem so far? Apa-apa masalah setakat ni? Don't have, Okay, continue. Last one for section B. Okay, they tell you PQS area is 120. So 120 and the perpendicular distance is 5. Okay, so you need to focus on PQS. Okay, let me write first. Okay, so you see PQS, this one. Okay, so they say perpendicular distance, jarak serenjang Q to PS. Okay, so jarak serenjang means this one lah, guys. They tell you this one is 5. So they want you to find this one. So the concept is area of triangle lah, guys. Luas segitiga. So half times modulus PS times with 5 is equal to the area luas, which is 120. So you should get PS. You can solve for PS. You will get 240 over 5. Wait, let me press. You should get 48 for PS. And then PS, what do you get for PS, guys? 6x, right? PS is 6x. So magnitude of 6x, guys. Sorry, they ask you to find the magnitude of S. Sorry. So 6x equal to 48. So magnitude of x equal to 6. 8. Okay? Understand? Boleh faham, guys? The concept? Can see it? That's all. That is for question C. Understand, guys? Section B. Are you clear? Faham? Bahagian B? Can? Okay, so now we come to section C, guys. Section C, you must understand, guys. You only have 2 chapters that will be tested. If you talk about Form 4 lah sahaja, is solution of triangle and index number. Wajib. These 2 are only the ones that will come out for section C. Okay, nothing else. Tak ada apa-apa lain bab. Okay, so you guys only need to choose 2 questions. Section C. 2 soalan saja. Okay, so can you guys choose for me? 12, 13. Which one you guys want? You guys comment. Do you want both SOT or you want me to do mix? Kamu nak buat dua-dua SOT, dua-dua index ataupun campur? Satu SOT, satu index. What do you all want? Okay, sure. So which one you guys want? Campur. Okay, so saya bagi satu SOT, satu index. Okay, so pilihlah mana-mana. Let me see. Which one should I choose? Okay. Okay lah. I bincang the bottom one. Alright, so we discuss question number 14 and 15. Okay? 14, 15 guys. Boleh? One index, one SOT. Okay? Alright. So now, question number 14. They ask you to find A, B, and C, guys. Cari nilai A, B, dan C. So how? Okay, very simple. Index is very straightforward, guys. A. A is index, right? So just use the formula. 780 over 6 times 100 equal to your A value. This is price index, harga index. So your A should get how much? Can you guys count and see? Cuba kira. Wow, so fast you guys go and sleep. The rest maintain. For those still can maintain. 2 more questions only. Okay, so A value equal to 130. Correct. 130. Okay, and then B value. Macam mana cari nilai B? Brain boom, but I big. Make sure your I maintain big. Okay, so now B value 150 equal to B over 3 times 100. Am I right? Guna rumus. So you guys can solve for B. Selesaikan. So 150 over 100 times 3. So your B value should get 4.5. 4.5. Okay, and then C value, nilai C, the index, again just use the same formula, equal to 820 over C times 100. So you guys selesaikan lah for your C. Okay, so C you should get 7.26. Alright guys, boleh faham? Do you guys understand how I get these answers? Can? Nilai A, B dan C. Okay, so this one are your answers. Ini adalah jawapan. Alright, next one. Question B. They ask you to count composite index, guys. Index gubahan. Okay, so very simple. Composite index, you just need to use the weightage over here. Guna pemberat. All of this is your weightage. Okay, so they ask you, wait, okay. So you already have the total, guys. So direct use this value, 1000. This is your total. So you can actually find the X. You just take 1000 minus 140 minus 40 minus 80. So X is 740. Bakilah the remainder. So 114 times 740 plus A times 80 plus 150 times 40 plus 113 times 140 bahagi 1000. Okay, you just remember your formula, guys. This is the formula for composite index. Index gubahan. Sum of index times weightage over sum of weightage. So inilah rumus dia. Alright. So final answer is 116.58. Okay. Clear? Jelas for this question? Okay, continue. Last one. Okay, so they tell you 2019 1150 with a profit of 20%. Calculate the selling price if you want 25% in 2022. All right. So for this one, let me see. Okay. So this one is going to be composite index also. Index gubahan. So basically, you must find the composite index. Okay. So you can see over here. Okay. So they say profit of 20%. So means that the index is 120 lah. Am I right? Index dia 120. So you can actually find the original price. This price is included with the profit. 11.50 tu termasuk dengan profit. So you can find the original price, which is 958. So you just take 120% times original price equal to the price after the profit, selepas keuntungan. So this one is the ori asal. Okay? Alright. And then the next one, you must find for 2022, 2022. Okay, so you can see over here. For 2022, you just compare with 2019 because you guys got the composite index, right? From here. Yang ni adalah index gubahan. Composite 2022 over 2019. So this is the composite index. So you can find the price now in 2022. Apa harga dia? So you see, you can get the answer 11.17. But again, remember this is the cost price. Harga cost sahaja. So this is before profit. Sebelum keuntungan. So now you guys see, now you get 25% profit. So you just take 125% times that answer, you will get the final price. Okay, harga akhir, which is 556. Okay, are you clear how to get the answer? Jelas? Can you see the concept, guys? Can see the flow? You must know the flow. So first you must get the price original in 2019. This one is 2019. Then you get the cost price in 2022. Then you get the selling price, harga jualan, in 2022. Are you clear, guys? Can have some response, please? Jelas or not? Understand, ah? Okay. Last one. Soalan terakhir. Question 15. Okay, so for this one, guys, they ask you to find the length of AC. Cari panjang AC. Okay, so how to find? Okay, so very simple. You can use what rule, guys? Kamu guna petua apa? You focus on ABC? Yes, cosine rule. Very good. So AC square equal to 12.5 square plus 8.4 square. Just use the formula lah. Guna rumus dia. Minus 2, 12.5, 8.4, cos angle 64. Tekan calculator, you will get the answer for AC. Okay, how many cm? All right, so your answer will be 11.61 cm. Okay, jelas? Very straightforward lah. A1. Okay, next one. They ask you to find CAD. Okay, means that kamu kena cari sudut yang ni. CAD. Okay, so how to find this one? Okay, you must think and see. All right. So they say it's a cyclic quadrilateral, guys. CC 4 kitaran. So guys, do you remember a property or not? Ingat tak? Satu ciri-ciri. Can you all tell me what is the angle ADC? Anyone? Apa sudut dia untuk ADC? Kamu kena ingat ciri-ciri yang ni, guys. You must remember this property. Yes, remember, guys, for cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle, the sum is always 180. Okay, jumlah sudut yang bertentangan tu 180. Okay, alright. So now you can find the angle already. Boleh cari. Yes. Okay, because AC, just now you guys got answer, right? AC is 11.61. 11.61. So guys, what rule can you use? Petua apa boleh guna? You guys can see. Opposite angle and side. CC dan sudut yang bertentangan. Sat. Wait can. Boleh guna kat sini. No need. Tak perlu cosinus pun. You can use sine rule, guys. Guna petua sinus. Kamu boleh cari yang ni dulu. Find the green color angle. Can you see? Opposite side and angle. So you find the green color angle. Then you just take 180 minus 116 minus angle DCA. Then kamu akan dapat yang biru. Faham? Do you see the concept? So of course the first step is 11.61 over sine 116 equal to 6 cm over sine angle DCA. So kamu selesaikan untuk DCA first. You get this answer. Then you substitute here. Gantikan kat sini. Then you get the final answer. Okay? Alright. So yang ni adalah jawapan akhir. You should get 36.32 for your angle. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? So far? Okay. Yes. This kind of question easy to score 10 marks, guys. Senang nak score. Okay. Question B1. They ask you area of ACD. Okay, so very simple lah. You already just use your formula lah, guys. You have half 11.61 6 sine DAC. So DAC, just now you get the answer 36.32. Just substitute, press calculator, get the area. Okay, inilah jawapan dia. Okay, just press calculator. Sorry, 3-2, not 6-2. Okay, can, right, guys? Just use the formula half AB sine C. So when you press calculator for B1, this is your answer, 20.63 cm square. Alright? Okay, next one. Seterusnya, they ask you to find the shortest distance, guys. Jarak terpendek. What does this mean, guys? When you see question kata jarak terpendek, dia nak cari apa, guys? What they want you to find? Shortest distance. May I know? Shortest distance. Anyone? Think and see. Jarak terpendek. What must you find? Anyone? Got clue? They say from point D to point AC. Means is this one. Yang ni. They want from point D to point AC. Shortest distance. So, what are you finding? You see the triangle here. Anyone? Come on. What is this quantity? Kamu nak cari apa sebenarnya? Anyone? Do you have idea? What are you finding over here? Siapa tak tahu quantity itu apa? Cuba comment. Anyone don't know? What quantity is that? Okay, never mind. Very simple, guys. I show you. They say shortest distance, right? Jarak terpendek. Remember, shortest distance always means your height. You must remember this. Jarak terpendek maksudnya soalan kata cari tinggi. Itu adalah maksud yang lain. Cari tinggi segitiga ni. Faham? So, kamu nampak, guys. Semua jarak yang ni lebih panjang kan daripada yang merah. All this green color line, the distance longer, right? Compared to the red one. So, shortest distance is always the height. Okay? So, you can use what formula, guys? You can use half times base times height. Am I right? Setengah kali tapak kali tinggi. Okay, because you guys already found the area, right? Kamu sudah cari luas. Wait, where did it go? This one. Okay, so you see, half times base times height. Yes, the concept is like perpendicular bisector. You see, you equal to your area, sama dengan luas. Okay, so you just need to solve for your height. Selesaikan untuk tinggi saja. Alright, understand, guys? So over here, your AC. Wait, so sensitive, the tablet. Okay, this one. This one is your base. Ini adalah tapak kamu, guys. Your AC length. AC is the base. Okay, so that's why it's 11.61. Your answer over here. Okay, understand, guys? Jelas? Are you clear for this question? Can? Okay, so we already complete. Discuss the whole paper tu already. Kita dah habis bincang seluruh kertas 2. Okay, are you guys clear with the discussion today? Do you understand, guys, the discussion? Boleh faham? Hopefully you have revised your form 4 a bit lah. Harap kamu dah ulang kaji sikit. Hopefully you understand. Okay, thank you very much for staying until the end. Terima kasih. Hopefully it helped you. Harap bermanfaat. Okay, thank you very much. Terima kasih. Yes, thank you very much. Good night. Take care. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yes.